During my several visits to Japan in the last 40 years for training, for business, as well as several speaking assignments until even very recently, 2019. One of the great opportunity I had was one day I spent on one of the Toyota plants manufacturing Toyota passenger cars, Toyota Corolla, in the Nagoya city, in a place called Toyota City, where that whole place is full of Toyota vehicle plants. And everywhere you go in that, you find the word Kaizen, means continuous improvement. But one of the unique things in a Japanese passenger car in compared to American and the European cars, which used to have a big luggage, normally put everything what you carry. But in a Japanese vehicle, you have several units from the dashboard to the passenger doors, seats doors, and several areas there are small units are there, because Japanese believe there should be everything in place and there should be a place for everything. There should be a place for everything and everything should be in place, and they should have various gadgets which they need to take in their journey. And sometimes in our journey also, we need to carry several things. Sometimes when men wear a trouser or a shirt, we always need to have several pockets, because we need to put so many things in our pockets. That's why ladies have to carry so many different bags time to time. Small bags, big bags, and things like that. So ladies and gentlemen, in our journey, we continue to carry various baggages, small things, big things. And of course, the baggages always bring weight upon our body. When I come to the beach, I want to be light as ever. So even this phone which I carry, I feel a bit heavy on my pocket at times. I don't even carry a bottle of water. I want to be light as ever, so that the full impact of the body would be felt on the walking, on the breathing, on the environment, on the wind and everything. That to be light as ever. That's what I feel when I come to the beach and walk for 90 minutes. But sometimes there are several pockets we used to have in our journey, and we want to carry those things. And it will enhance the weight of us and create unnecessary baggages that we would carry. Ladies and gentlemen, I used to have so many things carried while I'm walking, while I'm moving about, but I drop them off. Recognizing if I carry, my hands straight away go to that, and I have not been very giving opportunity for my body to be innovative and creative. If you want to be innovative and creative, sometimes you have to allow your body to come up with own ideas. If you feel there is something, immediately your hands runs for it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to improve the harmonization, the synchronization, the timing of your body, the atoms, the molecules, the cells, tissues, and all the organs and the muscles and the bones, you have to be light as ever, and then you have to allow the body to perform its functions naturally with its potential. Life is like that. In our journey, the less baggages we carry, there will be more opportunities for us to, in our journey, to walk very smoothly, very well. The amount of baggages we carry sometimes hinders our journey and our walk and our running. And it is up to us now to recognize what are these baggages and making sure these baggages have to be got rid of. And the COVID-19 have allowed me to look at unnecessary baggages in my life. And in the last nearly 2 years, one by one, I've got rid of it. It was not necessary for me, which is a burden to me. And then you can be light as ever to reach your milestones.